Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tyler from Nelly Security, and today we have a brand new VIVOTEK Vandal Dome to introduce you to, the FD9380-H. This is a 5 megapixel fixed lens Vandal Dome, 2.8 millimeter lens. It shoots video at 20 frames per second, an IR range of up to 100 feet. It's another fantastic VIVOTEK camera, so let's jump right into the unboxing. All right, I've got our box here for the 5 megapixel Vandal Dome, our FD9380-H. So let's open this guy up. And inside here we have our camera. This is not the right product.
Oh, wow.
All right, here I've got our 5 megapixel Vandal Dome, the FD9380-H. Inside we've got our quick start guide and our alignment sticker. In here we have our Vandal Dome. We also have our weatherproof grommet and our mounting hardware. So here we've got our Vandal Dome, and there at the top you can see our 2.8 millimeter fixed lens. We have our IR LEDs underneath. Shoots at 5 megapixels at 20 frames per second. All right, let's open this camera up and take a look under the dome. And underneath here we can take a better look at the lens. We are able to tilt the lens, and if we were to loosen this tension screw, we can move the lens up and down. We can also turn the whole thing this way. So we've got this nice 3-axis angle adjustment. And right here underneath the camera, we have a slot for a micro SD card. Again, this camera can hold up to 1 terabyte of storage. And once you take the dome off your camera, this is also how you're gonna install it. So you'll just put it in place and screw it in with just 3 screws, and you're good to go. And one final thing that we'll look at here is this pigtail. Like the turrets that we've seen, this pigtail only has one connection. It's this RJ45 Ethernet port, so you can connect this to a PoE switch, either a standalone PoE switch or the PoE switch in the back of your NVR. And this will be powered up and ready to go. There's no 12 volt DC connection on here, so it does have to be powered with power over Ethernet, but that's how most people are going to be using this camera anyway. So I kind of like this, this stripped back minimalist pigtail. And that's pretty much all there is to see about this camera. Let's go ahead and check out some sample footage. And that was the 5 megapixel fixed lens Vandal Dome from VIVOTEK, the FD9380-H. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us across social media for more security tech tips, tutorials, and reviews. If you have any questions about this product or any of our VIVOTEK cameras and recorders, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, use the chat features on our website. We are always happy to help you out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and happy installing.